FIMMA Maderalia is the leading international trade fair for materials, machinery, and components dedicated to the furniture, carpentry, interior design, and contract project sectors.
Welcome to I Like Events TV, your gateway to the world's top exhibitions and trade shows. Let's explore today's event.
This must-attend event unites manufacturers, engineers, specifiers, and decision-makers from across Europe, Latin America, and the Mediterranean region. The exhibition showcases cutting-edge solutions, including woodworking machinery, production tools, advanced materials, hardware, surface finishing systems, and digital technologies. Alongside a rich business and conference program, the fair offers targeted opportunities for learning, sourcing, and networking.
Whether you're looking to discover innovations, forge new partnerships, or strengthen your position in the global wood furniture industry, FIMMA Maderalia provides the strategic platform for driving business growth and design excellence. FIMMA Maderalia is an event, and I like events.
Want to join this event? Check the link in the description for tickets, hotels, and booth services. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to stay updated with global events.